you need a headset, check out this microphone. It was sent to me to review. It is sound canceling. It's great for if you're doing Zoom calls, gaming, etc. Also has this mic here, which helps isolate your voice, getting rid of that background noise. Works really well. It's very lightweight, and something I like, if I move the mic up like this, it mutes it, put it back down. We are USB-C recharging. You can also tap this to mute the mic. You can hardwire it if you don't want to rely on Bluetooth. With this, it also comes with a Bluetooth transmitter. Very comfortable. Let's see the leather there. Nice padding here. Sorry. Big earmuffs, and they aren't too big, so they could work. You know, if your kid's into gaming, they could easily wear this. It's very lightweight. Works really well. And also, yeah, it comes with a Bluetooth transmitter if you have some device that needs that put into a USB. And it also has a long battery life where it will last for multiple days. So you don't have to charge it every day. And if you do have to charge it, it charges within about an hour. So yeah, I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.